Hello, welcome to Fuzzy Labs. Matthew, why have you got wires sticking out of this insole?
Well, these are actually connected to pressure sensors. So the idea here is I can put this in my shoe and I can measure how I'm distributing my weight when I walk.
Right. And why are you doing that? What problem are you trying to solve?
Well, I have a slight inward pronation and it causes me some muscle pains every so often. So I started out wanting to measure, just for myself, how I'm walking and try and correct how I distribute my weight when I walk,
okay,
and versus when I run as well.
Right. And tell me a bit more about the hardware here. What have we got?
Right, yeah, so we've got 5 pressure sensors, which a friend of mine acquired from me all the way from China.
Oh, they've been shipped in, have they?
They've been shipped in from China especially.
Right.
And there's one on the big toe there, one near the small toe, one on the heel, and a couple more in the middle.
Right.
So these will go into this, which is an ESP32. It's like a system on a chip.
That's a whole computer on a chip?
That's a whole computer on a chip.
A whole computer right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Programmable computer with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Right. So how's the data? So presumably then you're using one of those protocols to get the data off this to something else.
That's exactly it, yes. So it goes from here to the smartphone, and then on the smartphone we can have an app which will be able to show you visually what does it look like, so we can do hotspots to show where the weight is.
Oh right, so you have a real-time app showing you the weight distribution, okay. And is that the end of the data transmission, or are you going to do something else with it after that?
Oh no, well once you've got it onto the phone, of course you can send it out to the internet. So
right.
It gets really interesting then, because we can send it up to Google Cloud, let's say, and ingest the data, put it into a data warehouse, like let's say BigQuery. And the nice thing about BigQuery is not only can it store enormous amounts of data, but you can also train your own machine learning models directly inside BigQuery.
Right, and what kind of insights do you plan to get from those machine learning models?
So, I'm open to suggestions on this one, but one example might be to say your walking style, or maybe your running style, is similar to this group of people.
Right.
And that could then provide you insights into how you train and how often you train, what time of day you train, that kind of thing, and also things to look out for. So it might be the case that people who have a similar running style to you are susceptible to certain kinds of sports injuries.
Right. So where are we at the moment? So you got this very advanced looking piece of kit. What's the next stage of this project?
Well, although it looks advanced, it's actually not particularly advanced right now. So I'll show this to the camera. I sellotape these pressure sensors on at the weekend. And I've got some software on the chip which is reading the pressure sensors and transmitting it by Bluetooth. But I don't have anything to receive it yet. So next step, my mobile app.
So you've written the code on the chip?
Yep.
Yeah. And is that on GitHub yet, or is it?
It is on GitHub, yes. Right. It will be available on the Fuzzy Labs GitHub.
Okay. Next is the mobile app.
Yep. And
then we're going to do some software in the cloud.
Yeah, something in the cloud, some kind of AI magic.
Yeah, okay. And what about the hardware itself here? Anything else going to happen with this?
Right, yes. So you'll notice this isn't particularly ergonomic. So, I can insert this insole into here. Then I fix this to the side of my shoe.
That looks pretty cool.
Maybe this will become the next fashion trend.
Yeah, hipsters love that.
Just in case it doesn't, I feel like maybe there's a few things we can simplify here. So this USB cable, which is providing the power, maybe we can attach a battery, a slimline battery.
Right.
So we don't have to have a USB cable. And another thing we can do is get these sewable microprocessors. So you replace the ESP32 here with a microprocessor which you can put directly onto the insole.
Just like a patch?
Right, yeah. So
cover like the patch you put on your elbows?
Well, a patch you would sew into your clothes.
Right.
Yeah, that exactly that, yes. Yeah, like an elbow patch.
Wow. Well, look forward to that. Right, well, that's really interesting, Matt. So thanks for listening, and thanks for the demo, and we'll see you next time.